In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed Behance. We'll walk through two practical workflows. First, how to embed a Behance project on your own website. And second, how to embed external media, like a Vimeo or YouTube video, directly into a Behance project. I'll keep it clear and straightforward so you can follow along without missing a beat. Let's start with embedding a Behance project on your website. Open the project page you want to share. Look for the share icon on that page and click it. In the share options, select Copy Embed. This instantly provides an iframe code tailored for your project. That code is what makes the project appear on other sites. Now, head over to your website editor and paste that iframe code into the area where your site accepts custom code or embeds. Most editors call this an HTML or embed field. Because it's a standard iframe, it should display your Behance project as soon as you preview or publish. If your editor allows it, you can fine-tune the dimensions by adjusting the width and height values in the code so it fits cleanly within your layout. Next, let's cover embedding content into Behance itself. Behance projects accept iframe embed codes directly in the project editor, which is perfect for showcasing interactive or hosted media. If you are embedding from Vimeo or YouTube, open the video and click the Share button there. In the Share menu, find the Embed area. Both platforms give you an iframe code, and they also let you customize the size before you copy it. Choose the dimensions that make sense for your project layout. Then copy the embed code back in your Behance project editor. Paste that iframe code where you want the media to appear. Behance will recognize it and display the embedded content inside your project, so your audience can interact with the video or media without leaving your page. This same approach works for supported sources like Adobe Dimension as well. Just obtain the appropriate iframe code from the source and paste it into your Behance project. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.